Welcome to the book review of The Year of You, 365 Journal Writing Prompts for Creative Self-Discovery by Hannah Brame. Hannah Brame is a well-known writer and coach who focuses on self-discovery and personal growth. In this book, she provides a comprehensive guide to exploring oneself through daily journaling prompts. The book aims to help readers uncover their true selves, gain clarity on their values and desires, and cultivate a deeper understanding of their personal journeys. This review will explore the key themes, concepts, and practical applications presented in the book, offering listeners a comprehensive understanding of its valuable insights. Overview. The Year of You is structured as a year-long journey of self-discovery, with a different prompt for each day. The prompts are designed to encourage introspection, creativity, and personal growth. Brame divides the book into various sections, each focusing on different aspects of self-discovery, such as values, goals, relationships, and personal history. This structure allows readers to explore different facets of their lives in a systematic and meaningful way. Key themes and insights. 1. Daily practice of journaling. One of the core themes of the book is the power of daily journaling. Brame emphasizes that regular journaling can lead to significant personal insights and growth. By setting aside time each day to reflect and write, individuals can develop a deeper understanding of themselves and their lives. The prompts are designed to be accessible and thought-provoking, making it easy for readers to integrate journaling into their daily routines. 2. Exploring values and beliefs. A significant portion of the book focuses on helping readers explore their core values and beliefs. Brame provides prompts that encourage individuals to reflect on what matters most to them, what they stand for, and how their values influence their decisions and actions. This process of self-exploration can lead to greater clarity and alignment in one's life, helping individuals make choices that are true to their authentic selves. 3. Setting and achieving goals. Another important theme is goal setting and personal achievement. The prompts guide readers in identifying their aspirations, setting realistic and meaningful goals, and developing actionable plans to achieve them. Brame encourages readers to reflect on their progress regularly, celebrate their achievements, and learn from their setbacks. This approach fosters a growth mindset and resilience. 4. Understanding relationships. Relationships are a key aspect of self-discovery, and the book includes numerous prompts related to this theme. Readers are encouraged to reflect on their relationships with family, friends, romantic partners, and colleagues. These prompts help individuals gain insights into their relationship patterns, identify areas for improvement, and appreciate the positive aspects of their connections with others. 5. Personal history and identity. The book also delves into exploring personal history and identity. Brame provides prompts that encourage readers to reflect on their past experiences, significant life events, and how these have shaped their identities. This exploration can lead to greater self-awareness and understanding, helping individuals integrate their past experiences into their present lives in a healthy and constructive way. 6. Emotional and mental well-being. Prompts related to emotional and mental well-being are also a significant part of the book. Brame encourages readers to explore their emotions, identify sources of stress and anxiety, and develop strategies for managing their mental health. By fostering emotional intelligence and resilience, these prompts can help individuals navigate life's challenges with greater ease and confidence. Key prompts and exercises. 1. Values and beliefs. One of the prompts in this section asks, what are your top 5 core values, and why are they important to you? This prompt encourages readers to identify and articulate their most important values, providing a foundation for making aligned decisions. Another prompt asks, describe a time when you felt completely aligned with your values. What were you doing, and how did it make you feel? This reflection helps readers recognize the importance of living in accordance with their values. 2. Goal setting. A goal-setting prompt might be, what is one major goal you want to achieve in the next year, and what are the first 3 steps you will take to achieve it? This prompt helps readers break down their goals into manageable steps, making them more achievable. Another prompt asks, reflect on a goal you have achieved in the past. What strategies did you use to succeed, and how can you apply those strategies to your current goals? This encourages readers to learn from their past successes. 3. Relationships. A relationship-related prompt could be, describe a relationship that has had a significant impact on your life. What have you learned from this person, and how has the relationship shaped you? This prompt fosters appreciation and insight into important connections. Another prompt asks, what boundaries do you need to set in your relationships to maintain your well-being? How can you communicate these boundaries effectively? This encourages readers to prioritize their mental health in their interactions with others. 4. Personal history. A prompt exploring personal history might be, describe a significant event from your childhood and how it has influenced who you are today. This reflection helps readers understand the lasting impact of their early experiences. Another prompt asks, what are some of the defining moments in your life so far, and what did you learn from each of them? This encourages a holistic view of one's life journey. 5. Emotional well-being. An emotional well-being prompt could be, what are your most common sources of stress, and what strategies can you implement to manage them more effectively? This helps readers develop a proactive approach to stress management. Another prompt asks, reflect on a time when you felt overwhelmed by your emotions. What did you do to cope, and what might you do differently next time? This fosters emotional intelligence and growth. Strengths. 1. Comprehensive and varied prompts. One of the book's major strengths is the variety and comprehensiveness of the prompts. By covering a wide range of topics, Brame ensures that readers can explore different aspects of their lives in depth. The prompts are well-crafted and thought-provoking, making the journaling process engaging and meaningful. 2. Encourages daily practice. The structure of the book, with a prompt for each day, encourages readers to develop a consistent journaling practice. This daily habit can lead to significant personal growth and self-awareness over time. Brame's emphasis on making journaling a regular practice helps readers integrate self-reflection into their daily routines. 3. Accessible and practical. The book is accessible to readers of all backgrounds and levels of experience with journaling. The prompts are straightforward and easy to understand, making the practice of self-discovery approachable. Brame provides practical tips and guidance throughout the book, helping readers get the most out of their journaling practice. Conclusion. In conclusion, The Year of You, 365 Journal Writing Prompts for Creative Self-Discovery by Hannah Brame is a valuable resource for anyone looking to explore themselves through the practice of journaling. The book offers a comprehensive and varied collection of prompts that encourage introspection, creativity, and personal growth. By covering themes such as values, goals, relationships, personal history, and emotional well-being, Brame provides readers with a holistic approach to self-discovery. The daily practice of journaling, as encouraged by the book, can lead to significant personal insights and growth over time. While the book requires a commitment to regular journaling, the benefits of this practice are well worth the effort. Whether you are new to journaling or an experienced writer, The Year of You offers valuable guidance and inspiration for your journey of self-discovery. Thank you for listening to this review.